In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from a project on Behance. Whether you're the project creator or an admirer looking to save an image, there are ways to download content from Behance with some important considerations to keep in mind. Let's start with the simplest and most official method: downloading your own uploaded images. If you're the project owner, Behance makes it easy for you to access your own content. First, you'll need to open the project in the project editor. This is where you can view all the images and details of your project. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the specific image you want to save. You'll see a blue pencil icon appear. Go ahead and click on that. From the options that pop up, choose Download Original. This option is as straightforward as it gets. It's safe, ensures you're using your own content, and best of all, it doesn't involve any third-party apps or tools. You have full control over your projects and can manage your images effortlessly. However, if you're looking to download images from other users, things get a bit more complicated, and there are ethical considerations you need to keep in mind. Behance, prioritizing the intellectual property of its users, doesn't provide an official download option for images from projects that aren't yours. This is especially true for those marked as all rights reserved. This policy is in place to respect the copyright and effort of creators who share their work on the platform. If you truly admire someone's work and want to use it, the best course of action is to reach out directly to the creator. Many designers appreciate knowing how their work is being used and might be willing to share their high-quality images if you ask politely. This not only respects their creative property, but also fosters positive connections within the creative community. Remember, reaching out shows your appreciation and respect for the creator's time and effort. In conclusion, while downloading your own content from Behance is easy and official, saving images from other users requires caution and respect for copyright laws. Always remember to consider the permission and rights attached to the work of others. If in doubt, reaching out and having a conversation with the creator is the most respectful and often successful route to take. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help.